Hi everybody, so in this video we are going to be learning how to deposit WRX tokens into MetaMask wallet. So I have to log into WazirX exchange and buy some WazirX tokens, so which I am doing so in this video. You can see that. I'll just wait for my order to get completed here because I bought some WRX and you can see that the order is being completed now. I'll go to the completed orders here and you can see that I bought these WazirX tokens. And I can check in my funds section out here. Now I need to transfer these WRX tokens to Binance Exchange. So you need to select WRX tokens from the drop down section because there will be many tokens here and we just need to transfer WRX tokens to Binance Exchange. And you need to select your tokens and you transfer it to Binance. So it will ask you for authentication, which is an OTP, so which I have received and I'm just filling it in and I authenticate it. And the funds have been transferred successfully. So I'll now go to my Binance Exchange account, which I've already logged in, and we'll see in fiat and spot. And I'll type in WRX here. And you can see that the tokens are reflecting here, right? Now I have to install MetaMask wallet. So I will download one and install it as an extension to my Chrome browser here. And you can see it's being installed here. So I will import my wallet here, right? This in case because I already have a MetaMask wallet installed on my phone. So I am entering my recovery phrase here and I need to enter my password and confirm the password. So I click on this checkbox and you can see it out here. So this is on Ethereum mainnet right now. So we want this network to be on Binance Smart Chain. So I'll go to the custom RPC and I'll enter the appropriate credentials here. So you can see here on the screen. So now you can see that the network is on Binance Smart Chain here. So I will now go to the Binance exchange and again you need to click on the wallet section, and under wallet section you need to go on the fiat and spot and select WRX tokens. So I'll click on withdraw. I'll select the network, which is BEP20 BSC Binance Smart Chain. You can see that, and it will ask you if I'm sure or not. So I'll click on yes, I'm sure. Now I have to enter the address here. So I will enter this address, which I copied it, and I'll go back to the Binance screen and paste it here. I'll again select the network, which is the BEP20. Make sure you are on this network, which is BEP20. And now you just can fill in the amount which you want to transfer. And now we click on withdraw. It will again ask me to confirm the network, so I click on confirm. Click on continue, and it'll ask you for your email verification code and phone verification code, and we will input these, and I click on submit. So I'm awaiting approval as it gets transferred. You can see here in the list it showed completed, and now I need to add this token. So I will go to the bscscan.com because I need the contract address, and here is the contract address. So I copy this and paste it here. Now you can see automatically the token symbol came in, and you can see as in when you add it up, here are those tokens which I just transferred from Binance to the MetaMask wallet. So this is how you transfer WazirX tokens to your MetaMask wallet.